G'day guys. Today we're going to have a go at making a damper in the old camp oven. So I've got my fire going. I'm just warming up the camp oven, getting it up to temp. So let's make up the mixture and we'll get it in there and get it cooking. Alright, now we're going to make some batter. Now before you say, I know how to make damper, yes, most of us probably do, but some people don't, so this is for the people that don't know how to make it. We're going to have a go. And it's been a while since I've done it, so you'll need a large mixing bowl. First things first, make sure you wash your hands. Alright, 3 cups of self-raising flour. A pinch of salt. About 800 grams of butter. 800. 80 grams. Don't put 800 grams. And just put that in little cubes. It's a bit hard without it. Try and cut little cubes of that in there. Just like that. And we'll chop those cubes in. The beauty of it is you don't have to be too precise. And then we need about half a cup of water. Right, so 3/4 of a cup, not half a cup, 3/4 of a cup of water. So 3 cups of self-raising flour, a pinch of salt, 80 grams of butter, and 1/3 of a cup of water. And then we need to mix all that in. So grab a fork. And you just want to make that into a bread dough basically. Squash all that butter in. Might get our hands involved now. Starting to combine, so it'll take a little bit. If you chop your butter up a bit smaller, it'll probably help. Starting to work. Alright, now that we've got it into the ball, grab yourself a chopping board. A little bit of flour on your chopping board. I'm using. And then we're just going to knead that in together. Basically you want a ball of bread like that, a little ball of dough. Alright, now we'll go and get the camp oven ready. So I've got a little fire going. It's like we saw before. It's not massive, but I don't need it for heat. It's only just to cook this damper, so I'm not looking at a massive fire. It's just got to maintain that heat for about 30 minutes. So I'm just going to monitor it and keep my eye and make sure that it doesn't go out. But it's going to be just enough for what we need. So we've got our little ball of dough there. Make sure you preheat that too, like don't just put that on cold because it's going to take a while for that to heat up before you can use it. So preheat that, put your dough, I'm going to set that down in the middle there. So you can see him there, it's in the middle. Drop the lid on. And I might try and shovel some of these small coals and bits of wood, just put them on the top just to keep some heat on the top there. But about half an hour, depends on how big your fire is. That's pretty low, so it might be a little bit longer than half an hour, but we'll just keep an eye on it. So that's it. I think it's time to check. It's been about half an hour. Nice and warm. Tasty. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Probably a bit too far. Can you see that in there? It's looking alright. I reckon we pull that out, it's pretty good. That looks pretty good. It's a bit crumbly, but a bit burnt on the bottom, but that doesn't matter. That looks cool enough. We won't eat that bit. You know, that bit there looks pretty good. The best thing for damper, a little bit of golden syrup. Unless you got honey, but golden syrup's pretty good. I'll tell you what, that is pretty good. It's that easy. Honestly, it doesn't really matter if you mess it up a little bit. You just got to refine refine the heat, how long you have it on there. I didn't really watch it, I just sort of left it, but you know, just keep an eye on it. Have a go. That's what it's all about. And as you, the more often you do it, the better you're going to get at it. Nice and easy, simple damper recipe. You can even do it in the oven at home if you want to practice it first, but hey, just make a little fire in the backyard. It's pretty easy. Get the kids involved. That's what it's all about. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a go at home. Have a go on your next camping trip, and we'll catch you on the next one.